How are you? Oh, it's really warm in here. Why is it so warm in here? Was that a big burp? Yeah, look at you, messy thing. Yeah, you feeling better? Hey, it's a good nap? Yeah, a nice 2-hour nap? Yeah. What do you think of that? That's good. Yeah. So, what do you want to do now? It's really nice out. It's kind of chilly, but you could be bundled up. Soak up some sunshine? Yeah? Do you want to go out in the backyard? Mommy was doing some work back there. It looks so nice. Want to help? Yeah? Uh-huh. Should we clean out your little boogers first? You must be feeling better. Yeah. I think so. Do you want some breakfast? What would you like for breakfast this morning? Oh? And what would you like with that? Not sure yet? Maybe some fruit? Strawberries, your favorite? Scrambled egg? What do you think? What you looking at? What do you see? The horsey? Hi. Okay. I'm going to turn this off. And we'll start our day. What do you think? Is it good? Okay.